Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see conversation between two friends. Practice the conversation to get the flair of English language.
Hey Sam, how are you today? Hello John. I am great. How's it going? Everything is going great. Long time no see. What's new with you? Nothing much, just the daily stuff. Let's catch up tonight at the cafe. Sure, let's meet tonight. Okay, see you then. Yes, goodbye. Later in the evening. Hey John. Hello Sam. This cafe looks great, let's go in. Yes, this cafe is most talked about. This looks like a nice cafe. Yes indeed, let's order a cup of coffee. Hello sir, what would you like to have? 2 cappuccino and sandwiches. Sure sir, would you like to try out our famous pancakes? Yes sure, $30 sir. Okay. Here you go. So how is your business going? Mediocre, as there are lots of people in the field now. Oh, don't worry, it will all be okay. I will be back in second, I need to use the washroom. Sure. Here is your coffee, sandwiches and pancakes. Thank you. Enjoy the food and coffee. It looks tasty. The coffee was deliciously hot and strong. Yes, I prefer cappuccino over espresso. I am full, let's go. Yes, sure. Okay then, it was nice meeting you. See you next week. Goodbye. Take care. Now let us look at the meaning of the hard words in the conversation. Long time no see means it is long time since we last met, and it is used as a greeting. Most talked about means famous. Mediocre means medium or moderate. The word deliciously refers to the pleasing taste and smell. Prefer means to choose. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the conversation. Do practice speaking English.
Thank you for sticking by till the end. If you like the video, make sure you follow us on all the social media. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and share it with your friends. Press the bell icon to never miss an update from Star Kids Learning.